Hi everyone, my name is Benjamin Harina and this is our 20-year-old inefficient furnace. Beside it is furnace exhaust heat recovery system or FEHRS. At the moment, it's not connected to the furnace exhaust. It simply works as a suction line for the furnace. I'm making this video so we can have a comparison between the furnace running by itself without the furnace exhaust heat recovery system and when it is connected to the furnace exhaust heat recovery system. Now, these are the temperature readings. 21 degrees Celsius is the temperature in the suction line. 186 degrees Celsius is the temperature exiting the furnace exhaust, and 165 degrees Celsius is the waste heat exiting the chimney going out of the structure being heated. So we will be comparing these numbers to the next video when the furnace exhaust goes through the furnace exhaust heat recovery system. Hope you'll tune in for the next video. Thank you.